In today's video, let's quickly jump into the way that you can fix the TikTok video quality problem. Whenever you're uploading a video, if the quality of the video degrades, in today's video, let me show you simple fixes on how you can solve this issue. Now, whenever you post the video, you do get the option of allowing the highest quality uploads. So let me quickly show you. Whenever you try to post a simple video, once you're inside of the screen, you just need to head over to the more options right here, and you can see the option which says allow high quality uploads. If for some reason, if this is toggled off for you, then the video would not be uploaded at highest quality. So as soon as you enable this option, your videos will be uploaded in a higher quality. What you can also try out is try to remove the or turn off the data saver option. If you head over to your profile and then tap on the three lines on the top right, head over to settings and privacy, scroll down a bit, you will be able to see the option called a data saver. If this option is toggled on for you, the videos that you watch or sometimes even videos that you upload may have a lower quality, so make sure that this option is toggled off. Apart from this, what you'll also need to ensure is that your internet connection is stable while you're trying to upload your videos. Once you follow these simple steps, you would be able to fix the issue of a low video quality or video quality problem inside of TikTok. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.